In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Outlook emails. Whether you're crafting a brand new message or replying to one you've received, managing your email's line spacing can make a big difference in readability and presentation. So, let's walk through these steps together to ensure your emails look polished and professional. First things first, you'll want to open a new email or reply to an existing one. This is your canvas, where all the magic happens. Once you're all set up in your email window, it's time to get hands-on with the text. Highlight the portion of text that you wish to adjust. If you're working with a fresh email and haven't typed anything yet, now's a good time to jot down some content to work with. With the text highlighted, let's move on to the Format Text tab. You'll find this conveniently located along the top toolbar within your email window. This tab is essentially the command center for all things related to text formatting. Once you're there, your next stop is the line and paragraph spacing icon. You should be able to spot it easily. It's the one that looks like a series of parallel lines with up and down arrows beside them. When you click on the icon, a drop-down menu will appear with various spacing options. Here you can choose from preset options like 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, or 2.0. Selecting one of these options will adjust your highlighted text accordingly, providing quick solutions for standard spacing needs. Now, if you're someone who loves to have more control over the details, Outlook certainly allows for that too. We can take it a step further by clicking on Line Spacing Options, which you'll find at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This will open a dialog box that grants you even more customization. Here you can adjust the line spacing by selecting single, exactly, or multiple. Each of these options gives you the flexibility to determine the precise spacing you prefer. Additionally, within the same dialog box, you'll notice controls for before and after spacing. This feature is particularly useful for managing the extra space between your paragraphs, helping to declutter and organize the flow of your email text effectively. Remember, the beauty of adjusting line spacing is that it allows you to tailor your email's appearance, making it visually appealing and thus enhancing the likelihood of a positive response from your recipient. And there you have it. You've now mastered the art of adjusting line spacing in Outlook emails, a simple yet powerful tool in your communication arsenal. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!